Hi everyone, today we are on Module 3 of Level E of VMath. We are on Lesson 9, so turn to page 41 so you can follow along and take notes. All right, multiplication and division fact families. So this is some review because you've done this before. When you look at this, you can see there are 1, 2, 3 groups of 1, 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smiley faces. This one you can see there are 1, 2 groups of 1, 2, 3 smiley faces. So then you flip it, 2 times 3 equals 6, same thing. Then if we did 6 divided by 3, we would have 2 groups. If we did 6 divided by 2, we would have, I did that one wrong, sorry. 1, 2, 3 groups. So 3 divided by 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So those are fact families. So if we look a little closer at 4, 7, and 28, 4 times 7 equals 28. But also we can use the commutative property and do 7 times 4 equals 28. Then you start with the bigger number for the division facts. So 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So if you know one multiplication problem, then you know 1, 2, 3 other problems. So those fact families are important. They will help you remember your multiplication and division facts. Here's another example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And in each group, there are 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Or we could look at it the other way. There are 1, 2, 3 groups of 5. That also equals 15. Then if we did 15 divided by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would get 3 groups. Or you could switch it the other way. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So this says write the multiplication and division facts for each fact family. So 5, 5, 25. Well, we know 5 times 5 equals 25. And then we would do 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Notice this one only has one multiplication and one division problem because it would be the same thing. If you switched 5 and 5, you would still have the same numbers. Here we have 9, 54, and 6. Well, we know 9 times 6 equals 54. So 6 times 9 also equals 54. Then for the division, we start with the big number. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. Complete the fact family. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So then we would do another division. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Then we would know 4 times 3 equals 12, but also 3 times 4 equals 12. So recognize multiplication, division, fact families. So here's symbols. Here's the multiplication facts. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. Division facts, 48 divided by 8 is 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. So it says 2 different factors and their product make a fact family. Each fact in a fact family uses the same 3 numbers. The 3 numbers in a fact family make 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts. But here it says if the 2 factors, so 4 and 4 are the factors, if the 2 factors are the same, the 3 numbers make 1 multiplication fact and 1 division fact. So here we have 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Because if you flip-flop the 4s, it's still the same number. All right, right now on your own, you're going to complete page 43. Good luck.